World Water Day is an annual event celebrated on March 22nd that aims to raise awareness about the importance of fresh water and the sustainable management of water resources. The day was first designated by the United Nations General Assembly in 1993 and has been observed every year since then. The theme for World Water Day 2023 is Water for All, Leaving No One Behind, which highlights the importance of ensuring that everyone has access to safe and clean water, regardless of where they live or their socioeconomic status. The day is an opportunity to learn more about water related issues such as water scarcity, water pollution, and water related disasters and to take action to address these challenges. It is also a time to celebrate the importance of water in our lives and environment. Many organizations, governments, and individuals around the world participate in World Water Day by organizing events, campaigning, and activities to raise awareness and promote sustainable management water practices.